Hi all, in this video we're going to show you guys how to open an assignment using Dochub, how to kind of move around with it, and how to turn it in most importantly. So we'll save this in our Google Classroom so that you guys can use this as a reference if you're at home or if you just forget. You guys can watch this video and it'll remind you how to do it. So Mr. Holmes's class is right here. This is his first block. He gave me an assignment for a practice. So if anything you want to open, you just click on that assignment and it'll tell you what the points are worth. He'll maybe add some comments in here. Over on the right is the actual assignment. So I'm going to click that and it's going to open this up as you see here. So when you open this up, this is a PDF. And so we need to get it in Dochub. So what you need to do is look with this Open With tab first and click, and you're going to look for Dochub. Okay, and I'm going to show you, pretend maybe you clicked on that button and you don't see Dochub, and many of you won't. Maybe you just have these first three. I'm going to teach you how to do this. So we're going to pretend like we don't see Dochub here. All right, and so you need to go to these three little buttons over here that say More Actions, and you're going to open in a new window. All this does is open up the exact same assignment, just in a new tab. And then you're going to look in here and you should have a Dochub option. So this is where you're going to do almost all your assignments with us, okay? So it allows you to write directly on it and turn it in to Google Classroom. So we're going to open this up right now with Dochub. Some of you are going to have to allow Dochub to access your information, so you might have to scroll and give Google permission to use this. So you'll have to hit allow and OK and stuff like that. But then you should get to a screen like this, okay? So this is just some simple division stuff. It's nice and big and blown up, so we can scroll from the top to the bottom, okay? I'm going to focus. You can draw right here with this draw button. So we can write wherever we want. 20 divided by 5, we can draw. It's really hard to draw. It's 4, and it's saving automatically. That's what that's saying, document saved. So anything you do, it saves automatically like Google does. All right, I would suggest using the text box. It won't hurt my eyes, or as much at least. And so all you do when you do the text box is you're going to click that A, and then you're going to click, hold, and drag for however big you want to write it. So we're going to make our box pretty big right there. And then 14 divided by 2 is 7. All right. And then you can click somewhere else to answer the next question, or you can just hit this little pointer tab and you're out. Okay. You don't have to put your names on these assignments because when you turn them in, it's going to have your name on it already. But if you ever needed to, you can hit the sign button and it'll let you sign things. There's a highlighter, there's a comment box, there's a whiteout. You can add a stamp, but really all you guys are going to need to do is either type or draw for these kinds of assignments, okay? So let's pretend we did this whole assignment and we're ready to turn it in, okay? So this is the most important piece. You guys need to come up here and hit this download export. We're not hitting share, we're not upgrading, not this, the arrow down, download export. We're going to click that, okay? And we're going to turn it back into Google Classroom. So we're going to click the Google Classroom icon. We're going to hit create share link. Then here's where some people get confused. They want to click this again. You're going to click this upload to Google Classroom icon down below. It's going to open up a new tab. So you're going to choose the class. So this was Mr. Holmes' first block math. I'm going to look for the assignment it was. It was today's one said practice. Okay, you're going to look for the one you're working on and you're going to hit go. So this has now created a link, all right? So Mr. Holmes and I, or whoever your teacher is, can look at this link of your work. So you're going to attach that link, just lots of clicking here. And then you're going to make sure, here's where a lot of people stop. They think they're done. You're not done. Hit View Assignment, and it's going to take you back to Google Classroom. You can notice here's my original, and then here's my link, right? So this is my work. This is the original assignment. So to get credit and so that we think you actually did it, the last thing you have to do is hit turn in. It's going to say you're attaching 2 attachments. Here's the original. This is your link. Turn it in. And boom, you're done. Now, if you want to make sure this thing is working and that we don't turn into this like I did it, no you didn't conversation, just click on this link again. Boom, takes me back to my work. There's my 2 answers. Okay, I know it's done. So I know when Mr. Kindig or Mr. Holmes or whoever says, I don't have anything, I have proof that it's done. Okay? So again, this is how you're using Dochub. This is how you're using opening and turning in most of our assignments. We will keep this in our Google Classroom. You guys can refer back to it whenever you need. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, come find one of us. Thanks. Bye.